Traders, hello, namaste, namaskara. Welcome to your YouTube channel Stock Market Teacher. In this channel you will learn about the Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis, where and what are the levels that you need to watch out for to take a long trade, to take a short trade, and when to avoid the trades. All the trades that we are looking for through this channel, okay, all the analysis and the trades that I take is based upon a good analysis of my years of experience in understanding the Nifty and the Bank Nifty price action. Alright, I hope you had a good trading day, and the levels that we had discussed in yesterday's session would have been of great help to you, because in this channel of yours, okay, we discuss the levels, how the price action tends to work, and what you can expect from the price action, and what are the levels that you can watch out for. Alright, so what are we going to discuss? In this video we are going to discuss first how the market worked today, okay, and the Nifty and the Bank Nifty worked today, how was the price move in regards to the levels that we had drawn in yesterday's video. Second thing, what we are going to look at is what we are going to look out for in tomorrow's trading day, okay, on Nifty and Bank Nifty. What are the levels that you need to watch out for, okay, where you can find a good risk to reward trades, okay, and what are the levels that you have to be careful of. Thirdly, what we are going to look at is, did I trade today? I'm going to tell you whether I did trade or no, and whether I make a profit or did I make a loss. All right, so let's begin and understand what happened in today's session. Now, if you remember yesterday in my video, okay, I had mentioned specifically, okay, that I had a bullish view, and the market proved me wrong today, okay, and that indication came through the first candle itself, okay, but I did not change my view immediately, because initial hours there is volatility in the markets, okay, there is volatility in the market, so I let the market play out, okay. My view will not change immediately. I will have to wait and watch the price action, how it moves. So that bullish view was negated, okay. What happened here? The price opened, okay, a gap down, and there was a vigorous selling, and that selling broke down this particular support level of 17,400, okay. And once that support broke down, the price came crashing down. Where did it come crashing down to? It came crashing down to the previous day low, okay, which I had drawn, and you see it touched exactly to that previous day low, went back up and came back to this support level which we had marked. Now support once broken, what it tends to do? It tends to act as a resistance. It acted as a resistance here. The price came down crashing. It did not, this support did not hold this time, and the price came and closed near to this particular level. We had even marked this particular setup, and we said that we might not test this, but we tested this particular low, okay, and this particular level, and this level acted as a support. So you would have seen that these were the levels not to go long or not to go short immediately. These are the levels wherein you could see the price acting to those levels, and then accordingly we took a take a trade. So this is what happened on Nifty. So there was a good sell-off in Nifty today. What happened in Bank Nifty? Bank Nifty also, if you can see, the price opened a gap down. It took the support level, the level that we had marked. It took the support level, bounced up, went back to the previous day high, which we had marked as resistance, took that resistance, turned back, came to the support level, and this time it broke, and it broke and came down to the level which we had marked, okay. This particular support level and the previous day low were exactly near to the were almost close to each other. So the price came back and, you know, tested this particular level. So you know, these are the levels you should not be looking at taking a short position, should not be taking at, you know, taking a short positions. So these are the levels that help you to understand where and when to avoid the trade, at what levels that you need to watch out for. All right, so this is what happened in Nifty and Bank Nifty. Next, what we are going to analyze is, we are going to analyze, okay, today's price action to help us with tomorrow's trading of Nifty and Bank Nifty. So as you know, we mark the high and the low. So this is your high and the low for Nifty. The red line is your high and the blue line is your low for Bank Nifty. For Nifty, so what was the high? High was 17,445 level, and the low was 17,326 level. So this was the high and the low for Nifty. Now let's see what are the levels you need to watch out for. So this was the level which we had marked as the previous day low, and that low was broken. Okay, so we expect this low now, which acted as a support in today's session, but it eventually broke out, this level to act as your resistance. Okay, so this level to act as your resistance level now, because the price is trading below this particular level. So what is that resistance level? 17,340 to 17,350 level. Okay, and this level is intact now. This level will keep as it is, which is your support level, which is close to your today's low. Okay, so tomorrow will be your previous day low. So 17,300 to 17,315 level will be your support level. We have a main support level at this now. Okay, we need to bring this into place now for Nifty. What is that level? 17,255 to 17,265. Okay, so this is a very important zone. If and only if this level does not hold, then we could see a major sell-off coming off in the market. So these levels will tend to act as a resistance level. What is that? 17,380 to 17,400, and this level, the previous day high 17,440 to 17,445, will act as your resistance levels on Nifty. So what are we going to look out for tomorrow's session? Now if there's a gap down to this level, we are not going to immediately look at shorting the market. We'll see how the price action work, and if there is any kind of price move or bounce happening, we could look at going long. If the market opens flat, goes back to this level, okay, or if the market opens a gap up to this level, okay, to this particular zone here, okay, let me highlight that particular zone. Okay, yeah, okay, if the market opens flat, okay, or it opens a gap up to this level and there is any kind of sell signal coming in, then we are going to look at shorting the market. Okay, if the market opens a gap up to this level or in between these levels, we are not going to take a trade, because your stop loss will be too huge. So your stop loss will be somewhere around this particular level. Okay, so we are not going to look at these levels to immediately go long or short. We'll wait for the price to reach to this level and then take an action only and only if there is any kind of a signal coming from the price action. So on Nifty, you're going to watch out for these levels. On Bank Nifty, what we are looking at, Bank Nifty will just mark the high and the low. See this high and the low, how beautifully it worked out. We had marked this level as a resistance zone, which I was not expecting will act as a resistance. I expected the price to break out, but the market always surprises you, and you have to respect that, and you have to change according to the market direction, which I did actually, and I will show you what I did in today's trade. So there you go. From the thumbnail itself, you would have known that I had traded today. So this is what we are going to discuss in few minutes. So this is your high for Bank Nifty, 40,773 level, and the low for Bank Nifty is 40,312 level, 40,312 level. So what are the levels, other levels we are going to look out for? So this levels is we are going to look at your support level. Okay, so what we are going to do, we are going to keep this support level intact now. So 40,200 to 40,220 will be your support level. Now if the price continues to go below this and touch this level, which we are expecting to be your support level, if the price goes below this level of 40,350 to 40,380 level will act as your resistance level. This we have a good support around this level. If the price comes to this level, what is that? 40,050 to 40,070 level, 40,050 to 40,070 level as your next support level, and we have a good support around 39,850 to 39,880 level. So these are the levels that you need to watch out for in tomorrow's trade in regards to support. And this level, which was acting as a support level in today's session, it broke down. So we are expecting this level to work as resistance now. What is the resistance level that you need to look out for? 40,560 to 40,580, and this is the today's high, and this level is going to act as a resistance level. So these are the levels you need to watch out for. So how are we going to play the market in tomorrow's session? So suppose, for example, there is a gap down to this level, okay, or a gap down to this level. Okay, we are not going to immediately look at shorting the market. We are going to look at how the price action work, and if and only if there is a price action telling us there is a buy signal coming in and there is a bounce happening, then we are going to look at a long trade. If the price action gaps up to this level, okay, gaps up to this level or some around this particular level, if there is any kind of sell signal coming up, then we are going to look at shorting the markets, and this is only for the morning hour session. Okay, later on, after the market settles down, we are going to watch out for more signals coming into the market. and we are going to see whether it's a bullish signal or a bearish signal, and we are going to change the view. So as a trader, you need to change your view as per the market direction, and I'm going to show what happened in today's session. So this is what is the Bank Nifty level. So as you from the thumbnail itself, you can see that I did trade a trade. So I was in a loss of minus 9,745, and then from there on, okay, I changed my view, I changed my strategy, and I ended up with a profit of 3,875 level. So this is my position book, which you can see here. 17,400 CE was bought, 17,350 PE was bought, 17,300 CE was bought. So I played both sides of the market. As initially, I mentioned that I was bullish, so I had to take my bullish view. So I entered trades around here on the long side, and those trades did not work out for me, and I ended up with a 9,000 loss. Then after that, I changed my strategy, and I was looking for some kind of signal where I could look at a good bounce. So I entered long here, which you can see from my position book here. Where is it? Yeah, 17,350. 17,350 P was the trade that was taken here. Okay, this was 17,350. The trade was taken here once the support broke, and then 17,300 C was taken here once I saw there was a bounce coming in. So these two trades, okay, brought back to me profitability of 3,875. So I did trade both sides of the market today, because I had to change my view from bullish to bearish to bullish again. So I changed the view accordingly as per the market direction, because initially it was a bullish view, but later part of the day it completely changed on the negative side, and there was some kind of bullishness which I did scalping. So I hope this learning has helped you in many ways, and how I look at the trading, how I look at the charts. And please do take time to watch the video completely and give a thumbs up to your channel. Okay, like the video, comment, subscribe to your YouTube channel Stock Market Teacher, and click on the bell notification. So I hope you have a good trading session tomorrow, and look forward to you in the next video. All the best. Thank you.